Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel, and in this video I'll be showing you how to create simple formulas in Microsoft Excel with pivot tables. So as you can see here, I have my table here and it's quite a large amount of data, and we want to summarize that, which pivot table does. And what you need to do is click on your table and then click on pivot table on insert, or you can choose the one that was recommended because it's much easier. If you want faster, then you can just choose this. So let's choose the first one, and as you can see, our data is already summarized here with the help of PivotTable. And let's say, for example, we want to write a sample formula that we will use to calculate something else that is in the PivotTable. And when we do that, when we click on the data next to it, we get the get pivot data instead. Let's try and add a value here that we will multiply this data to. Let's multiply it to that, right? The $sign, and then write this one in order for it to be the locked in as the reference for the other ones. And then if you slide it down here, you can see that it's still the same value. And if you check out the formula above, if you click on the other, it's still the same. What you need to do is click on it on the pivot table, and then click on pivot table analyzer, and then click on generate pivot table, so it stops generating. Now you can do is that you can just add equal, click on the data next to it, and then lock the data that you want to multiply with it, and then you can just drag it down, and as you can see, the data has been changed. That is how you make simple formulas in PivotTable and get rid of the get pivot data command easily. This is Generation Unravel saying bye bye!